So, kakatapos ko lang maligo. Natulog ako kanina. And, kakatapos lang ng exam namin. And, I was confident. Then. But, meron ako i-share. I have something to share with you guys. And, it's kind of big. It is a big issue for me. So, lately I've been consuming a lot of pornography, okay? So, I don't know, like I need something like an action and I need to stop it. Like, I need to control that shit, bro. Shit. It's really hard for me every day na alam mo yun, gigising ka tapos yun agad mangyari. It's so hard na wala kang disiplina sa sarili mo. You don't have any fucking discipline to yourself. I mean, every time I do that, at first it's siyempre masarap, like hindi naman like yawa parang maluwag okay siya, it gives you pleasure. That's why it sounds nice, diba? There's a, you know, you're releasing something like a fucking dopamine type shit, I don't know. But yet again, it is bad for you. And you know, I just turned 21 last month, and lately I feel like shit, you know? Parang hindi ko lang sasabihin ko. Sabog pa ako, oh my god. I just need, you know, I just need to control myself every time na gagawin ko yun. Kasi I'll be honest, whenever I do that shit, when there's a time when I got in there that shit, and when it's done, you know, I feel this kind of guilt every time I do that. So like overall, I didn't enjoy it kasi I feel bad, you know. Like I'm asking myself na, why am I doing this? Like, did I even enjoy it? You know? And that's exactly what I've been feeling from the start. But not really. I guess there's a time na I feel guilt. But when the first time I did that shit nung bata ako, when I was young, I love it, okay? Because I was young, I was like a fucking kid. I was like grade 5, grade 6, I don't know. When I hit like high school, around grade 9, I feel that guilt every single time till now. So if you're somebody who do that shit, you need to stop too. It really fucks up your brain, okay? It fucks mine. Kasi I feel like crazy and shit. Kasi kakatapos ko lang, I just done that shit. After I get in the shower, you know? Oh man. It's just like, I need to control it. I need like solutions. I need to be disciplined. And like, you know, it's just crazy na there's a phase na I don't consume pornography. Like I don't give a fuck about that shit. There's a time, and when life just fucks me down, I tend to go this bad shit. Like I do drinking, I do I don't know, I go out with people who do bad habits, and I do pornography. Huh? I just consume. I don't do that shit. I don't. Okay. And I talked to my friend yesterday, and I said to him about this issue, and I said to him that I need someone in my life again, so that I don't go in this bad lifestyle, this poor decision-making lifestyle. I need to wise up, kasi, man, I'm 21 and I'm still making bad decisions. Hi. So that's all. I'm just sharing what I've been going through this October, October 6th, 2025. And I hope you're doing well, and God bless y'all. Thank you.